Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Virgo, it's Sai. This is July monthly reading. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. Guys, this is general reading. If it is not resonate, don't force to fit in. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Virgo, it's Sai. What are the messages for you and what's going on? Maybe the person involved in this connection could be Libra. Could be Leo. Under the deck, 2 of Wands, 8 of Cups, Wheel of Fortune and 2 of Swords. Things will turn into your favor, Virgo, in the month of July. Maybe you walked away from this connection. For some, you have options. And you are at some crossroads. You have to make some decision, but you are indecisive about making decision. And 2 of Wands, you both are in long distance relationship. And for some, you are thinking about someone or something a lot. Yes, a lot of thinking is going. But things will turn into your favor. So let's see your reading recent past. Justice, the Sun and Ace of Wands. Someone is coming back for reconciliation. In past, already they approached you. If not, they will. Definitely someone is coming for reconciliation. And they have a lot of passion. Maybe they're realizing your worth because you walked away. That's why maybe they're coming back for second chances, or you received some communication from your person end. But there is something, happiness is coming into your life. For some, it already came to you. Then present 3 of Cups, Knight of Pentacles and Ace of Swords. Yes, communication is coming, clarity is coming, some truth coming out. For some, a brand new person is also coming into your life. I think you are celebrating your life, especially in your career. There is celebration and there is communication is coming. But someone is coming, that person, Knight of Pentacles energy is very, very serious about you. For some, it could be a past person. For some, it could be a new person, depending upon your situation. For some, there are 2 persons are coming. One could be new and another could be past. Then future, 7 of Cups, 4 of Swords and 4 of Pentacles. So you are confused, Virgo. For some, you have options. For some, yes, your past person is coming back. You are confused. You don't know which decision you have to make because they are always giving you false hope. And 4 of Swords. So you are healing. You are taking rest and you are doing meditation and thinking about someone a lot, and at the same time you are holding back. Right now you are not going to make any decision because you are at some crossroads. I am seeing a lot of options for you, Virgo, and the person involved in this connection could be a lot of water energy, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, then Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, especially Libra, then Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So Virgo, let's see your person current feelings and their intentions towards you, then we will get more clarity. Emperor, the Sun, Page of Swords and 3 of Wands. They are spying on you, social media. Maybe they are realizing your worth. That's why they want second chances with you. They are asking second chances. And Emperor. For some, maybe your person have some ego problem, but this time they really want to offer stability. They are realizing your worth and they are spying you. So let's see their current feelings and their intentions. Virgo. For some, it could be third party involved here. Third party means friends, family, or could be other men or other women. Family could be the issue here. Four of Wands and Six of Cups. Yes. For some, you both have strong soulmate connection and they are thinking about you a lot and they want reconciliation if you are in separation with this person. For some, you both are in soulmate or twin flame journey. And Three of Cups, Six of Pentacles and the World. Yes, I think there is no equal give and take in past in this relationship, but now your person really want to offer equal give and take. In past, maybe they ghosted you or they treated you as an option, but now they want reconciliation. Lots of you are in long distance relationship. So let's see their intentions. Five of Wands. Five of Cups. Yeah, lot of drama is going. They are missing you so much. They are suffering in silence. Yes, they are realizing your worth, Virgo. Judgment. Yes. So now they're making their decision. That's they want you back in their life. Two of Pentacles and Knight of Pentacles. Yes. So in past maybe they are juggling. Still they are juggling, but they are going to be make the decision very soon because Knight of Pentacles is here. Definitely this time they're very serious about you. For some, your person is independent. For some, maybe they're right now focusing on their career, but very soon they will approach you because Knight of Pentacles, they are in very slow moving energy. Right now, they're juggling between their you and their career, you and their family, but they're gonna make decision very soon because Judgment is here. They're suffering in silence. They are realizing your worth, Virgo. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. One card is popped out. Okay, later I will see. Eight of Pentacles. Yeah, they really want to work on this relationship. Four of Swords. Right now, your person also healing and they are also thinking about you and you're also thinking about them. But this time they're very serious about you. They really want to work on this relationship. Then High Priestess, they started listening to their intuition and Ace of Cups. They do really love you guys. See, Hierophant, definitely commitment issues between you and your person. You want commitment, you want marriage, Virgo. I think maybe they cheated on you, lied to you in past. Let's see mutual. There are some issues still regarding commitment. Maybe they always in and out of your life. Yeah. It is become hard work for both of you. This connection is becoming hard work for both of you. And Ten of Cups. Yes. You both want this Ten of Cups happiness, but there are some obstacles. Yeah, some waiting mode. I think for some you both are waiting on each other, but this connection has potential. Maybe one person taking care of this relationship becoming struggle for one person. That's why Ten of Wands energy. There are some issues. Definitely a person will approach you and they're serious about you. For some it will take time because they're in slow moving energy, Virgo, but they are realizing your worth. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel. Healing, yes. Second chance, yes. I already told these two messages. I fantasize about you. New love is coming. This also I told. Player and communication is coming. So communication is coming. Healing, second chance. I fantasize about you. New love is coming. Player. These are the messages. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck. A new start is coming, new moon. Yeah, for some there will be new start, especially when new moon is going. The energy is gaining momentum, waxing moon. If you're not seeing any momentum right now, but there is some momentum. Right now, it is in 3D. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.